Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as usual, and we did get the breakout of the consolidation area that I had yesterday. So remember, the trend has been down. We've been below the moving averages, and you can see there was a consolidation that was going on sort of most of the beginning of the week with lots of range bars, and then we got the break. So if we drill down to the hour, you'll see there is the bottom that I gave you yesterday. We battled a little bit to get going. We broke through the retest here. This was your first opportunity. So a retest of a break of the 155 EMA. You can see this green bar goes and tests it. This red bar is an inside bar off there. So you're looking for a break of that with a stop above it for a move to the downside. And then you had a second one here with this pin bar. Break of that pin bar, stop up there, and a move to the downside. So this is just based on CPI data that came through yesterday in the US. But anyway, that has happened. So what you're looking for is structure. And the closest bit of structure you're going to get at the moment is up here. And that is at 115.122. So you're looking for a retest of that area and possibly this tail here as well. So the zone you're looking at is 115.290 to 115.122. So you're looking for a retest of that, and then you're looking for the same kind of setup: pin bar, inside bar, off that zone, and then you're looking for a continuation to the downside. Moving across to US dollar Japanese yen. So we got the break to the downside. It's obviously a fake out of the channel that we had here, or the range that we had. And again, I gave you these two levels yesterday. So if we drill down into the 1 hour, you'll see clear break of that level, but just not a clear retest of that level. So it would have been difficult getting into this one. I think Euro USD is probably a better bet. At the moment, same thing. It's forming a flag. So what you're looking for is structure, and you need to sort of look to the left. Don't look this side, look to the left of price here, and you're looking for where the most logical area is for support, and this is the first area here. That's 113.798, and then the second area, which would also retest the moving averages, is 113.590. So it does look like a bit of a flag forming, so I would expect some kind of a pullback. There is a gap from this morning, so that definitely would be a target as well. So wait for the pullback and wait for structure to form, and then you looking to be back in long on this one. Moving across to British pound Japanese yen, still stuck in the range on the 8 hour. Nothing really has changed there. You can see we've got a bit of a breakout, but I warned you about this level yesterday, 152.560, and it looks like that's exactly what's playing out at the moment. So could be a break of the range and a retest. But because this next level is so close, I'd prefer to wait for a break of that. So 152.560, break retest there, then that gives us the opportunity to be short. Euro British pound is pretty much the same scenario. You can see we've got this massive range bar, and most of the week has been, we had to start to the downside, then we just went sideways. Now we've got an inside bar and a continuation bar with a crossover of the oscillators, and also diversions. You can see there's a low, lower low, low, higher low. So probability for me is to the upside on this pair. So what we're looking for is structure, and unfortunately we don't have structure. So we need a clear break of 0.85615 and a retest of it for a move to the upside. Alternatively, I'd take a really strong green bar that closes on its high above this area, and then just move my stop below one of these two swing lows from yesterday. But the oscillators at the moment are indicating we need to be careful. So my gut is just saying just sit tight and wait for the structure. We sideways. It's not really an opportunity until we break 0.85615 convincingly. Anyway, that's it for me this morning on Forex. It's looking a little bit looking interesting. I think the dollar's got some views, some scope for movement, but the indexes are looking all over the place at the moment. So I think we're kind of in limbo, waiting for something, and probably the FOMC minutes, which is I think it's next week. So yeah, Anyway, that's kind of my view this morning. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.